A well-maintained hotel means smooth operations, protected assets, empowered staff, and delighted guests. Meet FCS1 Maintenance, a powerful solution that keeps your engineering team in sync, in the loop, 24/7. Create and assign maintenance requests on the go. With dispatch and multi-level escalation. Ensure consistency with guided maintenance checklists. And hold your team accountable with proof of completion. Track inventories. Check out items on the go while keeping essentials stocked. Stay ahead of unexpected repairs with scheduled maintenance. Manage assets and vendors in one place with easy cost tracking. Enable vendor notifications. Ensure scheduled maintenance happens on time with automated reminders. Monitor team performance in real time and maintain impeccable standards with inspection checklists. And if that's still not enough, we've got more. With over 40 modules available, FCS1 supports more than 20 languages across multiple devices. Built on modular, microservices technology, FCS1 integrates with all the major property management systems and other third-party solutions through open APIs. FCS1 provides a comprehensive suite of hospitality operations solutions designed with your staff in mind. Contact us today. Discover how FCS1 can enhance your guest experience.